Hi folks, welcome to Intermediate Algebra for Spring 2020. It's Math 123, Section 1278. I'll just give you a quick video orientation so that you can get started right away, and I will give you more details on the class as we progress. So let's go ahead and get going. To get started with the class, just to let you know, we do not run the course on Canvas. So please don't go to Hartnell College Canvas and look for the course. What you need to do to get started with the class, you need to go to math.suflag.com. math.suflag.com. Make sure that you spell it correctly. It is SUFLEK, not SUFLEX or anything else. It's math.suflag.com. If you do that, if you go there, this is what you should see. All right. Now, if you're a first-time student or new student, you need to register here, and which is pretty clear. So just go there and register right here. Sign up for the free trial. Once you click on that, you'll see it'll ask for some information. Just fill in the information and then sign up for the course. And once you sign up, once you fill in the information, it'll take you to a page where it'll show you a course, Intermediate Algebra. Okay, you'll see a link for Intermediate Algebra. You click on that and it will give you three options. Option 1 is 7-day trial, 7-day free trial. Option 2, I think, is subscription. And option 3 is pay for the course. Okay, so this is what I would recommend. Of course, you can go ahead and sign up for the 7-day free trial. That's fine, not a problem. But please do not go for the subscription option. This is not for this course. This is for something else. For some reason, they still have it. My recommendation would be that you pay for the course, which I think is $79 if that's what they are charging. So pay for the course. If you for some reason decide not to continue the class, they will refund you 30 days. Within the first 30 days, 100% return, so no worries. So after 2 weeks or after 3 weeks, if you decide that you're not gonna continue with the class, in that case they will give you 100% return, 100% money back. And your other option is 7-day free trial. The reason I do not recommend this is that sometimes students sign up for the 7-day free trial and then they forget to pay, and they end up sending me emails saying that, oh yeah, I can't access the class, this and that, and it creates a lot of complications. So do whatever you want. My recommendation is this one: pay for the course. Whatever you do, do not go for the subscription. That creates another level of complications for me. So either this or this. Once you sign up, this is what you should see. This is what the screen is gonna look like. If you go to the, by default you're gonna go to the home screen. Okay, by default you're gonna be right here, and this is what you're gonna see. Now what you want to do, these are your assignments. This is basically where you will spend pretty much all of your time working on these assignments. So let me just pick one assignment. So just before I get going, let me give you some outline. So first assignment is slope of a straight line, and these are the deadlines when the assignment was opened, and this is basically when it's due. For instance, this assignment is due on the 29th, which is a Wednesday, a week from today. Okay, it's due on Wednesday midnight. So assignment is due at 11:59 p.m. Okay, this is typically the time where when I would make your assignments due, by midnight of the day when it's due. Okay, so that we are consistent on it and you guys know exactly at what time the assignment is due. So let's go ahead and show you what is inside of an assignment. So let's click on one of them. And here it is. So let's pick an assignment right there. One problem. So what is it saying? Find the slope of a straight line through the given pairs of points. Okay, so you're given these 2 points and you need to find the slope for this. Now let's say you know how to do this problem, then you'll just go ahead and do it. What if you didn't know? In that case, what would you do? In that case, this is what you're going to do. So look, so if you didn't know how to do this problem, all you have to do is just look at these links here. All right, so this is a step-by-step example. So if you click on this link, you're going to see a step-by-step example for you being done, which is already solved there. And if you click on this link, it's gonna give you a link for a video, and you can click on that link, and I actually go through a problem, exactly pretty much the same problem, step by step for you, so that you can get a sense of it. So if you still need help, of course you can just email me. Click on this email link and it's going to pop up an email link, and you don't have to tell me which problem you're working on. The system will automatically send me the problem that you are working on, and it will also send me what did you put in the answer box. So basically you have to put all of your answers in the answer box, and by the way, you can check your answer right away by clicking on this check answer / save, and it will automatically save your answer, so you don't need to worry about it. At the end, when you're done with the assignment, I would recommend that you submit this assignment. So by clicking on this, just submit it. And also, no worries, you can submit it as many times as you want within the deadline. Okay, so let's say this assignment is due next Wednesday by midnight. You can submit it as many times as you want up until the midnight of Wednesday, but you should just submit it once. And also, even if you forget to submit, no worries, the answer will be saved and I will actually see it. Now look, I clicked on this link, step-by-step example, and this is what I see. Okay, this is exactly what you will see as well. So here is an example of a similar problem. I go through this problem step by step, how to use the slope formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I go through this thing and then solve a problem extremely similar to the one that you are being asked on this problem. So if you understood this problem, you'd understand how to solve the given problem. And also, of course, you watch the video. And you can type in the answer as many times as you want. Okay, so make sure that you don't get confused about it. Okay, couple of other things. You can mark a problem for later review. Let's say you are working on a problem and you need help. You can go ahead and flag it, and then you can go ahead and review those problems later on. Then there are other ways of getting help. So far I already have shown you three different ways of getting help. Your step-by-step examples, video examples, and then sending me email. Then also there is another couple of other ways you can get help, which is this. You can actually take a picture of a problem and send it to me. So if you click on this thing, you can upload a picture and you can send it to me. You don't have to tell me what problem you're working on. Just show me your work and I can go ahead and look at it and give you feedback. So you guys are tech savvy, so I would expect that you'd use this feature as well. And then of course, finally, you can go ahead and text me. I do not recommend texting me unless it is something very important. You need help right away. This will basically send me a text message to my cell phone, and I'll be able to see. So there are 5-6 different ways you can get help, and please do use all the resources. Your main objective in this class would be just to work on the homework. That's it, nothing more. Just work on this homework and then get help. That way you will get prepared. Don't worry about anything else at the moment. Just go ahead and work on the assignments, keep up with the assignments, make sure that you understand them. Then you're doing the right thing. So having said that, let's go ahead and have you guys get started, and then I'm going to talk about office hours right now. Office hours are fundamental for your success in this class. This is an online class, however, it is required that you participate in the class. And every week I'm going to hold 2 virtual office hours. So this is very different than most of you have how you dealt with office hours previously. This is a virtual office hours. It's like as if I'm helping you live in front of you. You're going to be joining a virtual office hours and you will see everything the way you see me writing on the screen right now. I'll be solving your problems. So office hours, I'm going to send you details on it. Probably is going to be on Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday. Okay. Now, to join the office hours, this is what you would do. You would go to www.zoom.us. That's where you would go. Once you are there, there will be a small link on the top right corner, towards the top right corner, that says join a meeting. Join a meeting. Okay, click on that link and it will ask you for a meeting ID, and the meeting ID is 374824864. This is the meeting ID. 374824864. First time you try to join a meeting is going to ask for a bunch of things, install this and that. Go ahead and click yes to everything. It's perfectly fine. Zoom is a well-known video conferencing tool, so nothing to worry. And also, if you're using let's say iPhone, you can join the meeting with iPhone or any other smartphone. Go to Apple App Store, and then search for Zoom Cloud Meeting. Zoom Cloud Meeting. It'll give you an image of a blue camera, and that's the one you want. Zoom Cloud Meeting. So download it on your cell phone or on your smart device, tablet, whatever it might be, and you should be able to join the Zoom meeting next time. Make sure that you download it on your cell phone or from App Store or Google Play Store, whatever it might be, and go ahead and get situated. For you to be successful in this class, it is fundamental. Let me emphasize it again. It is fundamental that you do join the office hours. If you join the office hours, you'll be able to ask me questions about the assignments, and you will see what other people are asking, and you will learn from the interaction with students and interaction with me, mostly interaction with me, and you will get to see how the problems are solved. So if you really are serious about the class and you want to be successful, I would strongly recommend that you join these office hours. Those who do not join the office hours, they tend to fall behind and they give up, and at the end they think, oh, I'm not good at math. It's not that you're not good at math, it's that you haven't tried properly. I'm telling you the recipe. Try the homework, online homework, collect your questions, join the office hours, and ask me questions during the office hours so that you can get everything clarified. And as I said, office hours are going to be Tuesday and Thursday, and exact time I'll give it to you. Probably it's going to be around 8:30 p.m. I try to make it late because some people have other obligations, family and children and whatnot. By that time, you should be home and settle down. Probably it's going to be Tuesday and Thursday, 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. to, I think, is probably going to go up to 10 p.m. or as long as you have questions. I don't restrict the time. If you have questions beyond 10 p.m., I'll be happy to take it. If you get done before 10 p.m., it's fine. Then we'll end the meeting. But you have to join the office hours. This is very, very important. Once again, this is very important for your success in this class. And if you are really serious about being successful in this class, please do join the office hours. And also I'll go ahead and send you a syllabus, no worries. I'll email it to you just to give you an outline what it's gonna be. We are gonna have two midterms, midterm 1 and midterm 2. Okay, and then we're gonna have a final exam. Then you will have homework. All right, and then there will be participation. Class participation. Okay, these are the components of different things that you need to be clear about, and it's pretty standard. There is nothing out of the ordinary here. Your midterm 1 and 2 will be a certain percentage of your total grade, which probably would be 20%. I'm guessing. I'm gonna give it to you shortly in the actual syllabus, and homework will be 20%, and the final exam is gonna be probably 30% or 40%, and this might be 10%, something in that combination. So this is something you will know in the syllabus, which I will email to you. Class is pretty standard, nothing out of the ordinary. Only thing is that you try the homework, online homework, and join the office hours, get your questions clarified. Then I do not see why should you not get an A in this class. You should be successful, you should have fun in the class, you will learn. On the other hand, if you don't take my advice, you will struggle, and then you will get frustrated and you'll give up, and you make the choice which route you're going to take. Keep up with the assignments on a regular basis. If you miss something here and there, 1 or 2 questions, don't worry, it's fine. It's not going to make a big difference at the end. The main thing is to keep up with the materials. All right, this is a short orientation, and I'll give you more detailed explanations during the office hours. Hopefully you'll join the office hours, and for now, get started with the course. If you have any question, please email me at mhossain@hartnell.edu. mhossain@hartnell.edu. And you can also send me a message or call me if it is something important at my cell 1408-718-2901. All right, welcome to the new semester. I wish you best of luck. Enjoy the semester and enjoy this class particularly. Thank you very much.